Hello Instagram, how we all doing? You remember in previous video I showed you the zero clearance from JCR Build for my KS60. What about if I tell you there is even better jig now to get your core to the next level? This is a new design for JCR Builder. It's a new block with a fence. Before you have the zero clearance on the back, but now in the bottom, now you will have the zero clearance in the front. So now what we have in here is the perfect, absolutely perfect zero clearance. But what about if I show you something even cooler? And it's as simple as slide. By the way, do you know why it stands as a name KS60? C is because it's cordless and 60 is because 60 mil depth cord and 60 mil degrees from left and 60 degrees to the right. Please elevate the cut to the next level. Have a lovely day.